What is up? Right now I'm going to replace both elements in my water heater. First thing I need to do, turn the power off. Already got this disassembled, then I need to drain the tank. Hose here, flip the valve, drain the tank. It's draining now. The basic thing to drain it, hose, pop the valve, turn the water off to the tank. It's good to go. It's not completely done draining yet, but I'm going to remove the top element because I know the water is lower than this. So I need to unscrew the element. It's just screwed in by threads. Here's my new element. You can see threads, gasket is going to go on the other side, but the gasket's just sitting there for now. One and a half inch socket. Check this out. I guess something didn't work. Old nasty element. What in the world? How'd that happen? New element. Now they say this one's better. It's the exact thing that I need. Is the exact rating, everything that should be for this water heater, except for some reason this is made out of steel and this is made out of, I'm guessing it's copper because it's so malleable. I don't know. I don't know if copper can get that hot. But that's not right. It's really weird. This one's not so bad. This one looks like it's supposed to. They're replaced. Wires back on. Hoses removed. Gotta fill it up. Test her out. I turned the power back on. I waited about 30 minutes. I do have warm water now. I'm gonna turn the power back off, get everything put back together, and I should be good to go. Everything's back together. I have made sure that the status lights of upper element and lower element have both turned on. I love it. It works. It's this easy. You can do it. Super short, sweet video. That's how easy it is to change the elements in your water heater. If you like this, I've got plenty more videos like this of me doing my house projects and working on things around here, things that you can do easy around your place, and things that you can do without hiring a professional to do them. Subscribe for more.